Hi, welcome to our channel, where we share tips and products that can help you achieve your fitness goal. Weight loss is a process, one that doesn't always happen as quickly as you might like. While safe, healthy weight loss does take time, there are reasons you might not be losing weight that are worth considering as you gauge your progress. For example, maybe you're committed to a regular workout, but you're not burning enough calories. Or maybe you're burning enough calories, but you're then consuming too many in return. Many things can influence weight loss, some of which may be more obvious than others. It's worth considering all of them, as you work to make changes that will get you results. In this video, we'll share 7 reasons you're not losing weight, and how to fix them. Make sure to watch until the end, cause we'll give you our #1 recommendation to help you get good weight loss results in the safest and all-natural way possible. Please subscribe and hit that bell icon, and together, let's be healthy and happy. Reason number 1. You're skimping on protein. If you typically eat a muffin or avocado toast for breakfast, you might need to boost your protein intake. Research suggests that a protein-rich breakfast can help manage hunger better, which may make you less tempted to supplement with a mid-morning snack. Protein is important at lunch and dinner too. If you're routinely eating salads or sipping on gazpacho without any protein accompaniments, like a boiled egg, yogurt, beans, meat, poultry or fish, it could lead to declining muscle tissue over time, which means your metabolism will start to slow down and make it harder for you to lose weight. Aim for 20 to 35 grams of protein per meal, a portion about the size of a smartphone. But keep in mind that to boost weight loss, you may need to cut down on something else, like the starchy portion of your meal. Reason number 2. You're not sleeping enough. When you're short on sleep, it alters your body's appetite-regulating hormones, spiking the levels of the hormones that tell you when you're hungry, and reducing levels of the ones that tell you when you've had enough to eat. The result, you're hungrier than normal. In one study, women who slept for 5 hours a night, instead of the recommended 7 hours, were 32% more likely to experience a 30+ pound weight gain during the 16-year study period. When you're sleep deprived, the type of food you crave can change too. Studies suggest that it leads to an increase in activity levels of the reward circuitry in your brain, so donuts and other high-calorie foods are more irresistible. If you aren't meeting the sleep guidelines, start off by creating a set sleep schedule, setting an alarm to go to bed earlier at night, and staying consistent about going to bed and waking at routine times every day. Reason number 3. Exercising too little. Exercise is, of course, a crucial element to weight loss, but it's hard to know if you're doing the right workouts or burning enough calories. Start by looking at your overall program to get a sense of how much you're exercising and how much you really need. For weight loss, experts often recommend 60 to 90 minutes of moderate exercise each day. If you're doing high-intensity workouts, that number drops to up to 30 minutes. If you're not close to that, this gives you a place to start. This doesn't mean you have to start working out for almost 2 hours a day. In fact, that's a bad idea if you're not used to that level of exertion, as it could lead to injury, burnout, or overtraining. You may need to increase your workout time and intensity to match your weight loss goals. Or, you need to change your weight loss goals to match your activity. Don't forget, it's not just about structured exercise. Working out for an hour doesn't cancel out the next 8 or 9 hours of sitting, something many of us do. In addition to exercise, try to be as active as you can. Take regular breaks from the computer, take walks whenever possible, stretch, wear a pedometer to see how many extra steps you can get in, limit your TV time, etc. If you spend more than 8 hours sitting, that could be one more reason you're having trouble losing weight. If you find your workouts are hit or miss, it's important to find ways to stay on track. Reason number 4. You're stressed out. A little stress here and there isn't a big deal, but when it's persistent, your body responds by continuing to pump out the hormone, cortisol, which leads to an increase in appetite and eating. Stress also impacts your food choices. There's a reason why you crave comfort food, like pizza, instead of a salad when you're stressed out. And here's the kicker. Studies suggest that when you actively try to lose weight, by restricting what you eat, it ups your stress and cortisol levels, which is counterproductive. Exercise, meditation, and hugs, be it cuddling a pet or hugging a housemate, are a few good ways to help lower cortisol levels, even when stressful circumstances are beyond your control. Reason number 5. You need better listening skills. Your body tells you when it's hungry and when you've had enough to eat, but over time, you might have learned to override these signals. When you tune in to what your body tells you, you can respond more appropriately, say, by finding an activity when you're bored, instead of rummaging through the cabinets for a snack, or by wrapping up a meal when you're satiated, instead of when you've had too much to eat. Developing these listening skills takes practice, but over time, can help you reduce stress eating, minimize overeating, and enjoy meals more. Reason number 6. Experiencing slow metabolism. Metabolism can slow for several reasons, one of which is age, particularly if you don't preserve your muscle mass. Some estimates show that muscle mass declines about 4% each decade, from ages 25 to 50. Since lean muscle burns more calories than fat, building and maintaining muscle is vital for metabolic health and weight loss. If you're still eating the same number of calories, as your metabolism drops, your weight may creep up over time. Start exercising and lifting weights now to keep your metabolism in check. Exercise helps to burn extra calories, and lifting weights will help you to build muscle. Adding muscle to your frame helps you to burn more calories, even when your body is at rest. Of course, check with your healthcare provider before getting started. Reason number 7. You're eating too many processed foods. There's a strong link between eating processed foods and your weight. One possible, science-backed explanation: you eat faster and don't fill up as quickly on every processed foods, so you wind up eating more. Just think how much easier and faster it is to wolf down a fast food burger than it is to consume a piece of salmon with a side of broccoli and brown rice. Or compare how quickly you can eat an oat-based granola bar to a bowl of oatmeal. In one year-long study, dieters were assigned to either a low-fat or low-carb eating meal plan, with both groups losing a similar amount of weight. Despite the different dietary approaches, there were some commonalities about how both groups ate. Both limited sugar and overly processed foods and amped their veggie intake, while also eating more whole foods. If you want to simplify your eating habits and lose weight, this is a good way to go. And to drastically help you lose weight, here is our number 1 recommendation. This is a 3,000-year-old tonic that has taken the health world by storm in 2021, as one of the leading fat-burning powders to try, due to its ability to support digestion, energy, and vitality naturally. This is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. It is a powdery supplement that is effective for losing weight. Being a 100% natural formulation, it produces results without having to change your lifestyle or diet pattern. Every scoop of this supplement is filled with herbs originating from Japan. These have been tested for weight loss and also help in regulating blood pressure. The stored fat is targeted, thereby boosting metabolism and supporting the speed of weight loss. If you want to check this product, we put the link to their official website in the description below. We also made a detailed review about it, if you want to know more, especially how it works. The link to that review is also in the description below. This could be the answer that you've been searching for, so go check it out. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and also, please comment below what you think about it, so YouTube will recommend it to people who might need to watch it. Thank you for watching. We wish you good health and happiness. See you in the next video. Bye for now.